Hello, scientists. We're going to review some of our key terms in order to explain molecular scale. So first, scale. Scale is a word that scientists use when comparing the relative size of objects or substances. Here we have an eye test scale. Notice we have large letters and then we have very small letters. Macro scale. Macro refers to a large scale or overall view of something. We often view things in the macro scale with our naked eye. The term naked eye refers to our ability to observe substances without a microscope. So here's a glass of water. It is on the macro scale. It's large. We can see it with our naked eye. We don't need a microscope to see this water. Molecular scale. Molecular scale refers to a tiny or microscopic scale view of something. We need to use tools such as microscopes. Next, and here you'll notice here's our macro scale, a cup of water that we can observe with the human eye. Here is a water molecule, H2O, that you need a microscope to see. Atoms. So atoms are very tiny units of matter that we cannot see with the naked eye. So here we have a hydrogen atom, and here we have an oxygen atom. Molecules are groups of atoms joined together in a particular way. So here is our water molecule. Here's our oxygen molecule, and here is a hydrogen molecule and another hydrogen molecule. And it makes, here's our hydrogen atom, here's another hydrogen atom, and here's our oxygen atom. And it makes one water molecule.